Yes, yes, hello, welcome to my channel. So, I'm going to show you how you can really whiten your teeth in just 2 minutes. But first of all, we shall first talk about the causes of teeth discoloration. Number one, the number one cause is medications. The antibiotics, tetracycline and doxycycline. So, if they are given to children under the age of 8 or 7, sometimes they cause stains onto the teeth, and there are also other reasons like age. As we age, the enamel, wears out, so you end up with discolored teeth and so on. Genetics also plays a very important role in having white teeth, and yes, we shouldn't blame those people who've got white teeth or white enamel. It's genetics. There are also lifestyle causes like drinking coffee, Coca-Cola, wine, chewing on tobacco, these cause, that brown stains onto the teeth. There are also environmental reasons. For example, fluorine. Fluorine is a very important compound in formation of cleaning the enamel, the teeth and so on. But then too much of it causes stains onto the teeth. And there are also mouthwashes that have lots of it, fluorine in it, and also toothpaste. So you find someone who does really regular, brushing and so on, mouth care, and they have stains on their teeth. Just take it easy. It's something that can be really solvable. Yeah. There are also reasons of dental materials. There is a material called amalgam. Yeah, amalgam. These are restorations done by dentists, but then they can also cause black cast onto your teeth. So you just have to be careful. So the method I'm going to show you today is something that is you have to just brush your teeth for only once before you go to bed for 1 week. Okay. I had forgotten the knife. So, but anyway, we are here. So, what you do, you need lemon, tomato, a spoon to mix up, a knife, a toothbrush, and toothpaste. Some people were talking about the 3D crest paste, but in my meaning, it's all the same. Paste is paste, It's got the same ingredients, or they do the same good for us. So what we are going to do now, I'm going to cut a lemon. You only need like half of a spoon. In my opinion, that's really enough. And then you need some juice from a tomato. Roughly like a spoon or so. It's good to sieve out that, but I don't care. It's a tomato. You only need the juice, So whatever comes with it, it's okay. It's okay. And then some paste. Just a chunk of it, not too much. And then here we have to just do the mixing. Mix it well, so that all the ingredients become uniform, so that you get every single ingredient that I've used here. Yeah. But remember, you have to do it for at least a week. Right now, it will make also an impact. But then, if you want really longer, longer results that are going to last longer. Yeah, you have to do it for a week, and then you continue with your normal mouth care, brushing your teeth like every after when you wake up in the morning. It's good to rinse. Have your breakfast. After breakfast, try to brush your teeth, and then if you eat something during the day, rinse something sweet. Sweet things, cause dental caries and so on. So you try to rinse. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get this mixture, and I'm going to brush my teeth and see if we can really get those results as I had promised. It should take at least 2 minutes, Don't worry about the messiness. Yeah, it will clear. It's messy, I know. But after 2 minutes, of brush, sorry about that, it's the water. So after 2 minutes of brushing our teeth, I'm going to show you. You have to be the judges to tell me if this has really worked or not. Don't forget to subscribe, subscribe and share, okay? That's the best you can do for me right now. Okay, I hope it has been a very useful video. And then now I have to do the grand movement, that is thank you for watching. Nobody wants to show their teeth, but at least I've tried. I've got very beautiful teeth. Okay, thank you for watching.